Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm doing a really short video here for everybody, not just VIPs, but for everybody. You know, I speak professionally at a couple of different types of venues, and one of the things I always tell people is this, and it should strike a chord with you. It's WIFM. And you go, what's WIFM? What's in it for me? Every person wants to know anytime anybody's talking or doing anything. Hey, what's in it for me? Let's cut to the chase. That's why you're here. It's what's in it for me? What are you going to do for me? True? I'm not offended by it. That's a fact. Our foundation is one of research in the investments field. I've been doing this since, 1986. How about that? And I want to share something with you. We're going to keep this short, but I just want to show you this. This is from a book called 40 Great Stock Market Winners. This is a Daily Graphs online, our Daily Graphs product from 1999. But I just want to go through this very quickly. The great stocks, the stocks that made super moves. Earnings up 30% or higher, 87% of them. 71% of them had earnings up 50% or higher. Take the average of the two, basically about 80% of all the stocks had earnings up 40% or higher. 80%. You're stacking the deck in your favor. That's what we're after. Number two, 86% had sales up 30% or higher. 63% had sales up 50% or more the quarter before their moves. Basically, my research has shown this through study, extensive study through the years. If you look for companies that last quarter's earnings were up 40% or higher, or the average of the last two quarter sales were up 45% or higher, one or the other, and you put them both together, you run a couple of screens, you will have a great list of stocks. Right here, more than 2/3 of the examples were the result of industry moves. That's the other key point. Look for stocks in leading industry groups. Don't do low price stocks. Do stocks over the 50-day moving average line. Do stocks over $10 a share. Do stocks that trade more than 200 or 300,000 shares a day. All of a sudden, you have a recipe for a cake. So you take this, and I'm going to show you something here right now. A couple of stocks. I just told you, last quarter's earnings up 40% or higher. On average, last quarter sales up for 2 quarters up 45%. Right here, Upland was on the key list stock. People bought right in here under $25 a share. There's volume. Earnings last quarter up more than 40%. That's what we're looking for. There's Upland, all right? I'm just going to show you a couple of these. Here's NTNX. The earnings not there, but if you take 46 and 44, you get 90 divided by 2, average 45%. It fits the bill. Picked up right there at $39. 39 to 51.5 in 6 trading days. That's what we're looking for. Great group. Last one I'll show you here, short and sweet. Micron, MU. Here it is. We're waiting. I'm stalling for time. Micron Technology. Look at those earnings, folks. Look at those revenue growths. You don't need both. You need one or the other. Look at the group that it's in. So what do we have? Leading stocks, leading groups, leading numbers, good solid numbers. Combine all those together. Stocks over $10 a share. Stocks above the 50-day moving average line. I say this, a clean and simple chart pattern right there. We picked it up right there at around $49, right in here. 49, touched 61 today. 49 to 61 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. Excuse me, we did it from here. I take it back. We did it from right here. 6 days. 6 days. 49 to 51. Do the math. That's what we do for people. You can say, well, how's that presented, Pat? Here's how. Right here, I'm going to enlarge this. Every night we make a key list. This is the key list from last night for today. We send this, and this is all the stocks that are on the key list for the day with the buy price. And if you noticed, it's to the penny. Buy price to the penny. All right? Some of these made good moves. Those 3 stocks that I just showed you, right in here, Right there. All three of these. 24 to 30. 24 to 31. 6 points, 24. 25% of your money. 6 days. That's what we do. It was a key list stock. Every night, we produce a key list, and we send it to the VIP members. Here it is, with the buy prices. I also will put commentary on there. This was the commentary for last night for today. Markets up huge Friday. Futures up big Sunday night. Will it continue? I don't know. Key point, be careful chasing big gaps ups. We don't want to get hurt. Folks, you know what the market did to do. It went up and then it dropped. And it dropped fairly hard. That's what we give. Information like this to help people make better decisions. Key list for last night. We send this out every night with a new list of stocks. Some of them might be repeats from the night before if they didn't break out. But here's the other thing that's very important for you. We don't just make a list, we also make a video. And in the video, we go through in a tutorial on each stock, pointing out, here's what we look for. I'll go back and, well, here, I'll just do this one right here. I had pointed out in the video before it broke out, if this takes out around 24.20 to 24.30 a share, right in here on heavy volume, you can buy it. And we'll go back in time and I'll just show you this. This is what we're looking at right there. The next day, it does this. And I'm saying, hey, if it takes out 24.20 above the highs here, that's a buy. 24.20 on volume. The next day, 24.20, just going sideways. Still got to take out that high at 24.18. The next day, look at where it closes. This day right here, 24.12. 24.12, I said it again the next night on the video. 24.20, it's a buy. And the next day, it starts to pick up on a pickup in volume, and we're in. And then you get the paydays. Inside day, the payday. There you go. That's what we do. So you get the key list at night, you get a video explaining the markets, big overview of the big indexes first, and then the individual stocks. It's a manageable list with buy prices. VIP members also get in the VIP feed, they get every time I'm buying or selling anything, I alert them before I do it. And you can say, well, how the heck do you do that? I'll show you right here. There it is. Buy alert. Here you go. Sell alert. There they are. I alert people, and this is what I say. Buying UPLD. Buying UPLD, and I put that green on there. And that's how I do it. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I hope that helps you, and I thank you very much.